So welcome back to another vlog. Got a little situation update. Skidmark's going to be on the road today. We're going to test everything out, make sure he's up to par, maybe run it a little bit. But I mean, as of right now, took a couple L's already. So we cut the exhaust off, got that done. That was a dub. Ripped my shirt though, so that kind of sucks. I really did like the shirt. I just got it 2 days ago, so I'm a little butthurt about that, but we're good. It'll all be worth it in the end. So we got the seats put back in. Like I said, we got the exhaust taken off. So she's running with no mufflers right now. We got the plate on there. We only got one seat because I didn't feel like installing both of them. Soft top is still broken, so that'll probably be next couple videos. We'll see if we can get that done. But yeah, I'm gonna be switching over to the GoPro here soon. Just because I don't feel like dealing with the camera, trying to hold it and shift and stuff and drive. It'll be too much with the GoPro. I'll just strap onto my head. We'll be golden. What's up, feller? Getting her posted up?
Camera car.
Camera car. Oh, God. Alright. This is gonna be freaking awesome. I'm gonna wait. Bro, Skidmark is moving. Hell yeah, boys. Hell to the yes. Dude, I'm so freaking pumped. This is lit. This is great, dude. Skidmark is alive and well. Dude, this is so freaking sick, dude. Drift car is alive. She's back. Let us see what is going on here, because I don't want to whip it out here and then end up getting hit, because that would suck. I don't have any blinkers either, so this is going to be sketchy. Just a little bit sketchy here. Just a little bit. Alright, we're going for it. Dude, oh my god, this freaking car, I love it, dude. This car is so freaking awesome. It geeks the hell out of me. Man, I'm gonna turn around real quick. I'm gonna turn around while I can see, just so that way, in case there is any oncoming traffic, we are good. Back up right here. Get back on her. Dude, I'm so freaking pumped. Yes! All three cars are officially running mint. Running good. freaking great, dude. I freaking love this. Oh my god. Guys, I think this might be my new favorite car. I think it might be my new favorite car. Oh, we got... Dude, this is great. This is freaking great. Oh my god, I freaking love this car. I love it so freaking much. Oh my god, man, this is great, dude. The clutch feels good, brakes feel alright. I mean, I think that back left caliper is locked up, but dude, we are good. This is freaking mint. I'm so pumped right now. Dude, I cannot get over this. This is probably like the best freaking thing I've done in a long time. Freaking awesome. I love it. I love it so much. Let's see if we can give her a little toasty action right here. Yeah, I'll probably call it here. This is a little, I don't want to draw too much attention to myself here. Might end up having too much fun. This is great though. This is freaking awesome. Dude, she's a runner. She's a runner. I'm freaking loving this thing.
Smells bad, but looks good.
I mean, it's gonna smell bad. Been running for a while. Ain't been running for a brick. Let me throw them hazards on real quick. Throw them hazards on real quick for homeboy. But yeah, this is dope. This is sick. What you think? This one is too, on the back side. I don't know. What do you think I should? You think so? Not bad.
This fucking wobble. Cute.
Almost like we got the same car.
Black Mustang.
Yeah, I mean, hey, they're both GTs. I wonder what's going on there. Skidmark is officially a certified ripper. Got her out on the road. She's golden. Freaking unit here. Dude, I am so pumped. I am so freaking stoked. This is so good, guys. This is so freaking I'm just so happy. So happy to have a freaking like drift car ready to go. Like I said, you know, earlier in the video, we got the exhaust cut off. All good, no mufflers. You know, eventually we're gonna end up putting them back on. I think we're gonna do side pipes. But as of right now, we're golden. You know, I got the headlights. They're not even in yet. I mean, they were, but they're not in. Bumpers held on to like 2 screws. The screws are missing on this side, so I only got one side in. But you know what? Sometimes you just gotta send it. You know, this is awesome. So got the racing seat. Get you a little POV action. This is dope. This is so freaking dope. That is great. I'm so pumped, man. I love it. Ian, what do you think?
I like it. Sounds good. Run down the street.
Yep.
Legally.
Tasty? Smells bad, but looks good.
I mean, it's got to smell good.
Yeah.
Run for a while. Ain't been running for a break.
Not bad.